How to decide agencies running ad charges? How much you charge? Okay, I can't decide or tell you how much you should be charging. Neither you should listen to me or to anyone how much you should charge. I don't know your circumstances. I don't know your lifestyle. I don't know how much overheads you've got, how many staff you've got, what is the minimum you need to uh, earn a livelihood and to be able to um, support yourself and your family. The best way to do is to work in reverse. Okay, I need to earn $5,000 an hour, a month, let's say. An hour would be fine as well if you want to, but I'm just giving a general example. 5 grand a month. Then you reverse and say, okay, I've got 8 hours per day. I work 5 days a week. How much is my hourly cost? And that's how you would go about doing it. But that is, we have to go into a lot more detail and depth before you come to a number, because I can't just throw a number at you and say, well, you should be earning this much or you should be charging this much. When I started, we started at a very low price, then we kept on increasing, and now we work on a percentage of ad spend where the client is only going to increase the spend if they are making profit. So if they are growing, we are growing because we are making um, them more money, and we deserve to make more money as well at the same time. And secondly, they are growing the business, so are we. So I don't need to go after looking for hundreds of clients. I can have a handful of really good clients who are spending big money. And by big money, some accounts we're spending about $300,000 a month. So that can quite easily be done on Google, YouTube, display network, and so on.